All right. Well, I hope you're really impressed with my rectangular base pyramid drawing because it took me a long time to get it to look just as good as it does. So I'm just going to give you a few dimensions on this rectangular base pyramid here. Okay, so this base is 12 centimeters wide by 24 centimeters long, and the vertical height is 8 centimeters. Now you could find the formula for the surface area of that, but all you're really doing is there are 5 different faces that you need to, there's areas you need to add up. There's the rectangular base, length times width, and then you have 4 triangles, 2 sets of identical triangles. There's this one here, which is identical to the one on the opposite side, and then there's also the one on the right, which is identical to the one on the left. So you're really only having to figure out the area of those triangles and the area of the base and add them all together. But I haven't given you the slant height. I've only given you the vertical height. So you're going to have to figure out what is the slant height for each of those triangles. Is going to be different, just so you know, for both sets of those triangles. So figure out the slant height for both those triangles. You're going to have to use Pythagoras. Let me give you a little hint here. Okay, if you sort of look at this as being, let's do it in red here, maybe a bit better for you. There's the vertical height there, which is 8. And then if you go out to that red triangle, that would be the hypotenuse I'm drawing right now. Okay, there's a right angle. You can figure out the slant height of the red triangle and do a similar thing for the green one, and you would get a different answer for this slant height here. So forgive me for mucking up the drawing, but those are the 2 dimensions you need to find, and then you can figure out the total surface area of that rectangular based pyramid. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do, just because it's such a lengthy problem, and we've already gone over like 6 or 7 minutes here for these videos. Let's just say that is a question I want you to bring to me tomorrow. Show me all the work, show me the slant heights, and we'll go over it tomorrow in class. Okay? Have a great night. See you tomorrow.